Namaste guys, in this video you are going to learn how to do a tail rigging in Blender. So it's basically 2D, 2D design and we are going to do is rigging. So let's see how to do it. So I already made this file in basically Inkscape. It is a free and open source vector software. So I made this, this thing. Okay. So I'm going to import this. This is a PNG file, not SVG. It's a PNG file. So what I'm going to do is press A, X and delete. Press 7 on numpad. Click on add image, image as planes. Just in case if it is not showing, click on edit preferences and type image. You will see this add-on. Make sure check it. Click on add image, image as planes. Now go to the directory where you have the file. In my case, it is on my desktop. So you can see it's here. If I click on here, I can see how does it look like. So first I will press R, Z and -90. And then I will press sorry R X -90, my bad, R Z -90, G X 0.5 is fine. Okay, now what I will do, I will select this, press tab. So I am currently now in edit mode. Click on add selection. Now add the number of loop cuts as per your requirements. Make sure that you know how many number of loop cuts you are adding. You can see the number of loop cuts here. In my case it is currently 11. So click enter and enter again. Now what I will do, click let's control Z. Let's add more loop cuts because higher the loop cuts, better will be the result. So I'm adding near about 30 loop cuts. Okay, for better results. Click on add. What I want, armature. So my armature look like this. So select this R, Y, 90, press 7. Select this, press tab, press E, X. Select this, right click and parent, click on clear parents. Select this bond, right click, subdivide. How much? 30. Remember, we have done 30 cuts here. So 30 will also be on this bond. Now go to the pause mode. Select this bond by pressing shift, select this bond. Press Ctrl Shift C, click on inverse kinematics. So if I select this G, notice it is moving and it is basically something that I want. Now what I want to do is click on edit, uncheck the lock object modes. Select this image and select these bonds. Select all the bonds except the this one. Okay. Press Ctrl P. Click on bond. So if I select this, press G. Okay. Press Ctrl Z. Press Ctrl P with automatic weights. Press G. So automatic weights is the right answer. So you can notice that how it's rotating or moving. You can make the complexity as per your requirements. Okay, and you can wiggle tail of your dog, whatever you want to make. It's quite easy to make in Blender, and it will be fun thing. I want to see what's your creativity. You can tag your work on me on Instagram, Moria Works. I love to see your work, whatever you do. Some people might notice that there is some weird edges are popping up. So what you can do is select this, click on here, and apply a subdivision surface. Make it 2. Select this G. Now it's quite smooth. Again, it's up to your creativity how the thing you want to make. You can make humor rigging, character rigging in Blender. That's quite a good thing if you ask me, because you don't have to worry about the, if you are from After Effects, it's a quite time consuming thing. That's why I hate After Effects. So yeah, that's for all. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. And just in case if anybody want the project file, link in description. It is absolutely free of cost. So yeah, and you can guys can support me on, or you can buy me a coffee to support me. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.